Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest technologies shaping our world. Today, we're going to talk about autonomous vehicles and how they work. Autonomous vehicles, also known as self-driving cars, are equipped with sensors, cameras, and other technologies that allow them to navigate and operate without human intervention. They use a combination of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sensors to analyze their environment and make decisions. These sensors include lidar, radar, and cameras, which provide real-time information about the car's surroundings. LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging, uses lasers to create a 3D map of the car's environment. Radar sensors use radio waves to detect obstacles and other vehicles, while cameras provide visual information about the car's surroundings. All of this information is processed by the car's onboard computer, which uses algorithms and machine learning to make decisions about how to navigate the car. The car's control center also uses GPS and other mapping technologies to help the car determine its location and plan its route. Once the car has analyzed its environment and determined its route, it can begin to drive itself. The car's autonomous driving system uses a combination of throttle, braking, and steering to control the car's movements. This system can respond to changes in the environment, such as traffic signals and other vehicles, and make decisions about how to navigate the car. Passengers can interact with the car's autonomous driving system using a touchscreen or voice commands. The car's system can also provide real-time information about the car's surroundings and route, as well as entertainment options for passengers. Autonomous vehicles are still in the early stages of development, and there are many challenges to overcome before they become a common sight on our roads. But as the technology advances, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we travel and transform our cities. That's all for today's video on how autonomous vehicles work. We hope you enjoyed learning about this exciting technology. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest advancements in technology. Thank you for watching.